Hey everyone, welcome back to Wix Fix. I hope you're having a fantastic day. My name is Ryan, and in today's video, we're gonna be checking out loop interactions inside of Wix Studio. Let's go ahead and get started. So I am in the Wix Studio editor, and now I want to add some loop interactions to some of our elements here on the page. For example, it might be kind of fun to grab the user's attention by adding some sort of animation to this new coffee that's coming out soon. So what we can do is come over to the inspector panel, head over to the interactions tab, come down to loop and press add. Now, once again, we have a bunch of different options to choose from, but maybe we wanted this to wiggle just a little bit. But if we go into the settings, we can of course change the intensity. We can change the duration of the animation, and we can even set a repeat delay. So this is going to be how long it takes before the animation is repeated. So if I go ahead and press preview, it's going to animate, and then we set a 5-second delay. So 3, 2, 1, it's going to animate again. So that's basically what the loop animations do. Now, maybe we don't really want the wiggle. Maybe we want to try something else. So we can come over here, and maybe we want it to kind of pulse a little bit, something like this. Once again, we have the same settings: intensity, duration, and repeat. And if I go ahead and preview the website, this is what it's going to look like. I think it looks pretty good just like this. But once again, let's see what other options there are. We can remove this one and add another one. Maybe we want this one to just subtly bounce up and down. And if we go into preview, we can turn off the delay, just because this would be kind of nice to just continuously be bouncing. We can even set the distance. We can turn the direction from horizontal to vertical to center. And we can even set the duration. But if we go ahead and just press preview, here is going to be this design. And honestly, I think this is really fantastic. I think this is the way to go. But let's say we want to add a way to allow our users to actually pre-order this coffee that's coming soon. So what I'm going to do is come over to add. We'll come down to decorative, and maybe we'll just grab this shape right here, and we'll place it right here. Let's go ahead and change the color of this element here. We'll go ahead and choose this dark green color. And on top of that, what we're going to want to do is have a small title, and we can say pre-order today. Let's center the text. Let's make this text white, and we don't need it to be this big. So let's set it to like 36. Maybe even that's too big. Let's try 24. And then what we can do is just resize it a little bit and place it right over this little decorative piece right here. But let's go ahead and animate this shape right here. So we can come back over to our interactions tab, come down to loop, and what we're going to want it to do is spin. So let's go ahead and just adjust the interaction real quick. We can set the direction to clockwise or counterclockwise. We can set the duration, repeat delay, and we can set it to linear. I think this looks the best. So what we can do is grab both of these. We can place them in a container. Then we can grab the stack up here and press add to stack. And then we can center the stack inside the section. And once we press preview, here would be this really cool little section using loop interactions. But that's basically gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you all did enjoy, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to the channel for more Wix Studio content coming out really soon. Thank you all again, and I'll see you on the next one.